you take it.
Right down there though.
Doing there? What are you doing there? Careful. Take your time. Pack it in. Swim for near now.
Where is Grandad and Nana?
We told Grandad to walk ahead.
Nanny's behind us.
No, it doesn't. We're going on them olds. Worth it. Careful olds. Yeah.
Oh, that pushes it, look like see that bar there?
Yeah, bar like.
You alright, old?
Yeah.
How fast?
He loves it, him.
No, I'm getting scared.
I know, look. Nana's watching.
You're alright.
How fast is that?
That's it.
Nana's watching.
Wow.
And that's all it is all the way, and I'm sweating.
Yeah.
And I do not want to get
Look,
away.
warm, innit?
There's a big guy.
Yeah, the boat getting pulled by the
But
police.
even higher.
Bill.
Oh my God.
Fucked by the coppers.
Every
Yeah, I
time.
know. I bet he's run out of petrol, man.
No, he's been doing something illegal.
What happened?
This is just a
There's
police.
a police board. Have a look. Do you want to squeeze
Why
in
is there
here?
a police boat there?
Just
Why?
because it's, I don't know. I don't know
How
why.
warm is it though?
That's what he said. It's very warm, so we only allow 6 really. Oh, my ears have just popped in.
I'm minded. Oh, look that boat in there.
Oh
What
my-
stadium's that in, Bill?
Mommy, look under you.
Is that Fulham?
Is that?
No, Fulham's all the way up near our hotel.
Fulham.
What stadium's that? Look
Oh,
for
look, we're
the.
going to go past them.
Look for
I want
London
to try and get a
Airport.
picture of the
It's just a
Yeah.
strip, isn't it? We're going to wait.
Look for London Airport. It was just a, oh, there it is over there.
Hi.
Yeah, you can see.
Oh, yeah, they're just that runway there.
Just that strip.
Where's he going to?
That's a boat. Making that noise. Tooting.
In underneath.
Where's-
I did.
Where do we end?
We go back, we go all the way
We're going
around.
to come all the way in. Come up
You're
all the
right.
way.
Where's London City
We're gonna
Airport
go
there?
back
You can see and just see the strip.
All the way
Yeah.
along and then we come all the way back.
That's the airport where that strip
Just
is.
for a nice little journey over.
With the water around it.
Oh, we're going somewhere.
No, we just came to do this.
Strips? No, come
There's nothing in there. I'm absolutely sweating.
Well, I can feel it turning.
You alright, Gil?
It's not turning.
Yeah. You alright, Oz? You dealt with it better
Oh,
than I
this is
thought.
absolutely fun.
Oh, well, he was telling that little lad on the boat, we're going on there.
Oh look,
Oh,
Diggerland.
there's the board there.
Diggerland. Build inside.
There's a black one.
Oh,
It's
look
a
at that,
Diggerland.
three crews, look at that, look.
Again on the ramps again.
We're higher than
Yeah, he's going to
seagulls.
go on a ramp. Go on, jump. Yes.
Well, landed it.
Oh, he's gonna go on that big ramp. Get
think?
ready.
And then spin round.
Go.
No,
Yeah.
chicken. He'd fly off the end.
Jump off that one though. Oh no, he dodged that one.
There's a
That's a
plane there.
Oh, that's good.
Oh, he's gonna get that big one. Where's the plane? Yeah. You?
So are they going to try and kick us out? Yeah, we ought to get out.
No, we just...
Ready?
Oh,
Shall we speed up?
Oh, yeah.
Lift off.
Get you ready for when we go on an aeroplane.
Yes.
That's different.
Oh, it's better you tell your mates at school.
What are they doing up there?
To what? And helium.
There's a reflection.
What are they doing up there? What are they
This
doing up
building
there?
here, you see people walking around.
It's them on the ground. It's them on the ground.
Oh, God.
It did look like people walking around.
Oh, look, Grand Plaza. I've stayed on.
Yeah, but look, if there's supposed to see. To arena.
Yeah, Olympian way.
That was there before the Olympics, so near what they built. It didn't have as many.
Nice breeze as well there. Leave that open. No, leave it open. We just jumped on any there. Good job we didn't want to go that way.
We didn't even check, did we?
Oh.
I know.
And familiarise yourself with the safety guards in the seat back pockets. May we also draw your attention to the safety instruction notices posted.
The next stop is Soaring.
See what's going to do there?
What?
Keep it down there.
It's a big one, this. 4 behind. Nice, isn't it?
Hookah, hookah, hookah. I'm okay.
You alright? What are you doing?
I went with.
Sarge nearly went. Oh. Careful, Kale.
I'm going to beat you.
Yeah, and this was closed last time we came, wasn't it? No, this subway.
Oceans and clusters of cloud. The Kepler spacecraft is descended over 1,000 planets and other star systems. We call these worlds systems.
Chill. Can't even see you. Ta-ta. Hey, watch your head. Watch your head. Just hold it down. Just hold it down. I was running around, I found. Will that stay still?
He's gone in the sea.
Okay, nice.
He is in the sea.
Flying. Let's get on with your first assignment. Move to the first border. Can you see it in your navigation screen? See the borders? Use the precision. You've got to weld them together. Follow the line. A bit faster.
Circle slow.
That was like mega slow. You just got.
Oh. 4 stars. Oh, I mate. The one in Edinburgh we done. We spent 3 hours in Edinburgh. We still didn't see it all. Fighters. Gil, what do you think about a £12 chocolate eclair? How about we go?
That's it. Ollie?
Look there. Look at this. Wow, these look special.
Now can we demolish them?
Demolish it, yeah.
Here we go.
She wasn't watching the light. Oh, the traffic. She tried to get through the lights and hit a car. Get across here, yeah. Go on. Kill. You seen this, Kill? So good.
Hello, and welcome on board this LNER Azuma to Edinburgh Waverley.
Wait, is it only going to there? Is that the only place it's going to?
We will call at York, Darlington, Newcastle, Berwick-upon-Tweed, and Edinburgh Waverley.